nzima ikusakufanele ungabasali ngokujaba lava ikukamsale ilesimene wakulona lana
ngarenga terene
lesi silo samazama ibikina nabo baba
ya taita
can you tell me that you like it
ngana mloko memory so
ungathandela ubisola leso khathi sofanela sokusama awubone odizama kulabanya matangu lek chocolate biji matangu mosi chocolate biji matangu lek chocolate biji matangu mayena biji matangu lek chocolate biji matangu mosi biji matangu lek chocolate biji matangu mosi.
Nobody gonna tell you what I do. Only tell me how to when I go through. Chikanya na ba kuku.
Wamula nga text ako motive ang sila ako imo po. Alright, so tanggelo nga kare ne.
Chocolate, I guess I gotta play with you, my lady. When I a nice one alone, she just make me dance. I can't cause I might speak melody. Now move nice till I am still straight. Now trust me, girl, you know I get your back. Now let's vibe, she get la sotala when I go stress. You're the best, Nicadella when I'm set. Yeah, just wanna vibe, it's like a lot of the Pina. I came for the fun, I even wanna Lisa. I hear you wanna hear something, fixing on me, Jesus. Jolo want me, think I got some wine with the Lisa.
Majita mungosa mabukugo amiwa bondi bakamane balotala bolomo sila inde majita mungosa amiwa bondi bakamane bangojene zade zanga
Yebo ke, tuna sokona pe Philippines Royal FM 101. Warti bang gumalir. Ilering ko beni ka po ka karloan. Hey, binyuman chango. Inabona ikasiguro na monta. Cool see a motive na Shiks are in the building. Yebo keming sir mal famo wana ya ba kem ramba kashe e kanu ko ke professional ingo para kuna nzika ro tsoka bela kaso ka bani kashe ko tsami kashe na DJ Kennis Tole na Innocentia la ga ba kai profile la ba isa la ba ga ta goma le ra kuna nzika ro tsoka bela then ke le bending ka pongo shinene ba ri bitana de rona black chocolate. How are you guys? How are you doing today?
Grande.
Ay na ikona snene man kasi na motive is there via the phone call. How are you motive? We are good, man. We are good. So, hey, when can I get it? Yeah. I'm looked at and so logometa nang goma lelwan. I don't know who to start with. Should I take Cool C? Should I take Motive? Should I take Shiks? Please tell me, she is a queen. I don't know. Okay, let me start with Cool C and Shiks. Is a queen goma lelwan lukukubari romela la intla lenga shisona na motlha.
Oh, she's nganta kesa. Shawumbere ndahlamusela ngoma le one iplan ikhayifana ya perform at 11 when it was the day before, so yes. Andrena Shiks, he played a bit that day and it was the 10 he played a bit and he gave it to me nyakana yona. Then we had to play a song ntana sona sintigelinyana, but it took me like a day. Then after that I told Shiks, girl, we got a hit. And I got shocked, then I had to convince him, girl, we got a hit, tomorrow we're going to smash it. Then I then he recorded that, then we asked Motive, then we had to put this song out. That's how we came up with the song.
Wow. So Emotive, once you got the call and you heard the song, what was going on in your mind?
you already get me.
Yes.
Natokala ne?
Yes, matwakala sis. Yes. Hello. Amito, manito sis.
Hello?
Mene kuntweni. All right. Hello, manito sis. Okay. Go timiza mana kabeta itabaka imta kungarikane. Thank you. All right. It looks like we're gonna be having a little bit of network problems. Eka sa itry na maswala ko na mo tagulo ni kapula bai ko mabarkule so senta ko ko line ya ko yete na ikata ko na nen. All right, okay. So when you did the song Black Chocolate and then you went to do the music video, what was the inspiration behind, Black Chocolate? I mean, I saw the melanin, I saw the beautiful woman. Black Chocolate kahle kahle. Hey, why am white chocolate at least?
Actually, this one, it's based on an African vibe,
yes.
The Gaza vibe actually. So, now we my yellow pop wako nakangoma, but we tina Black Chocolate just to embrace more of our culture. Then go on like vangatekela hasi. So we are all equal. Yellow bone, black bone, we are all equal. But we are praising more like black maramila.
In most cases, ku tell of the similar price of yellow bone. So we had to do this one especially for them, but then including Lamawayana.
Wow. And my chica, black chocolate. Yeah.
So the challenges that mungahlangana tona loko mamkhami endla similar Black Chocolate.
Okay, first we don't really have a proper studio, so it's one of the challenges in most cases. Mara we manage ka listen to ngona sona ku ikota ku mesa the quality that we deserve, because lo moyi to ibasi mara lo komkomba la indlela ko you won't believe mavo.
Wow. Wow. So you're telling me, Kuri, the studio that was recorded at and the work that we hear afterwards, it's not the same.
Actually, like really, it's not the same. That's a fact.
Wow.
Mara, we had to put more of our effort.
Wow. So look, I'm coming and support, and you're getting, I think it was 1,000 views, right?
Yeah.
Before, how long did that take you? I'm sure it was, if I'm not mistaken, I don't want to make lies. I think it was after 2 or 3 days, if I'm not mistaken, and it was only
it's more
1,000.
More like after 4 days, we are on 2,000 views.
Wow.
You have to connect. Right. That's when you know you are doing good music. If you connect with the right people, then so let's push you at that time.
Wow. Man, I'm so amazed. 2,000 views, guys. Yo, that's a huge number in 4 days. That's amazing. So why aren't you guys forming a group? Because I see there's Cool C, I see there's Motive, I see there's Shiks. Why aren't you guys a collective? Why aren't you guys working as a group?
I think Kakaroses who are working as a group but as solos. Because one like for now must talk na Cool C, must talk na Motive, must talk na Shiks. But if we were a group before, I'm not a Steve, I'm not a group. But since we are working on creating like a group, the logo submit that's in the fan by y'all.
Because apparently so Mabana Ambitious Entertainment as a record label.
Yes.
You know the artists total are inside. But then you get to know them individually. But then look kutapa to umadisimu as a record label kuba at Ambitious Entertainment where all the artists are inside.
Yes.
Say and that the simu kifu charana shina Maraguri Motive aside, Kusi aside and Shiks aside. Afucharana one bele handle. So Mara, we are working on a group cause it say decided to enter a group where we're going to work on musical group and then individual aside it continue the way it was.
Kuna ngoma rwani la bari imbori iyama songa. Please tell me what was happening when you made this song, guys.
I could EP na ya Moments EP. I'm gonna check iTunes available na Spotify. So apparently we made 6 songs. Actually, we have 7 or EP ba complete. I came up with a beat and twist let's do something this song cause nabok that similar that took 7. So and the content yo impressa ntombi yamtsonga or mbuli yamtsonga. It was something different. But then kavano after look mesenyana snippet vanhu vai rhandza vai twistini go okay sula ku va themendela ntombi yamtsonga yo saseka. So we had to keep it like that because so yeah, it's like that. It's a beautiful song like themendela ku mbuli yamtsonga.
Wow, I love that, man. I think I know this song.
Yeah,
I know the song, man. It's not the first time I've heard the song, because it's playing in the background right now. Look, before you get it, that because of time, we are going to have to faster interview. So where can they get your music when they want to download it, when they want to buy it, when they want to stream it?
Online, they can search at Kulsi, at Shiks, at Motive, like maybe. Let's say Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, where like online platforms.
All the digital stores ikona. Banga seswani ngokutangeni kwala banga Shazema ya huma. Even if I search straight ka Google straight, search mine ma huma kwala the lyrics of the song, everything is online.
Any plans that you guys might be having this year regarding your moves? Expect maybe another music video, maybe a live performance of some sort. What is going to be happening this year?
We've been working. We've been working because pressure icon. A lot of people are loving our song. You cannot just wait. So we're working. And more music videos are coming. I shot a music video. A lot of people love the song and I love video.
Wow.
Yeah, Black Chocolate was the first music video and it's doing so well, so we have to do more.
Wow. Man, I'm loving Black Chocolate. I'm loving Boriam Tonga. I'm sure going to say I think I'm here somewhere in Limpopo. They're going to be blown as well. So, what words of motivation would you like to say for people that like pursue these fields? Shiks, what can you say to them?
Do not get signed. Work on your own. Second, try to create something new. If it means salam music, it's different. It's Afro pop, but then it's different from Lava One by Tangap. You fuse in with that old Peter Tinet, Paul Ndlovu vibe, Chico Twala vibe. So I'm the producer of the beat, so I try so hard to come up with something new. Cause look, most they're always waiting for me to create something new. The style that I play. So just always create something new. Be creative always.
And another thing, Shimwani Kombela Wananga Tekelas. Regardless, we said it on the song. Tekelas, Nine at Sem one day after lying after Kon, and I shall appreciate that and they enjoy Boba Secretary. Cases Nene and Amarans. And the Casanames de Vianney. Sikita special creation I should tell a music video Black Chocolate.
Wow, man, you guys are doing amazing. Any shout outs that you would like to see? I'm sure Motive would like to be shouted out today. It's just unfortunately that he's not around, but then he said he wanted to be with us, but he just had to rush to Gauteng. So any shout outs you'd like to say on the station before we leave?
Yeah, I can send a shout out to the girls Lava Tragnabo and those in the background by Sabelelago, Nelo, Toria, Madonna. Yes, and do Motive. And another producer that is not around, Revel. Shout out to him. We really appreciate you guys.
Yeah, and like shout out ka valonga seketela na kuba yumelela ka music video na. Ay not model ta ambana ko ikulo khoma kare. Ta kusava ba Kessins ne ka ngomga seketela behind the scene na vanhu vo tala. Mara to ka ngava name Kessins ne.
Wow, man, that's big. I wish we had more time because I wanted us to go brick by brick, stone by stone. But I'm sure another project that's going to be happening. We're going to profile it nicely. Enough. But then just you being here, I know a lot of people are going crazy. So thanks a lot for being with us. Shiks Kosi Motive as well. We would like to say keep on doing amazing work. Motive Kosi, Nelo and Toria, but it's somewhere in Limpopo.
Yeah.
I think we have to make sure that you guys come back. Because that time I'm here my black chocolate guys, I'm sorry, but then time is no longer on our side. I promise we're gonna bring them back. As for sorry guys, but thanks a lot for tuning in. Stop.